In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and manage automated reminders on your platform. This tool is incredibly useful for staying organized and ensuring that important tasks or notifications are never overlooked. So sit back and relax as I guide you through each step of the process with ease and clarity. To start with, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of your page, where you'll find the Settings gear icon. This is your gateway to customizing your experience and tailoring the platform to fit your specific needs. Go ahead and give that icon a click. This action takes you into a menu filled with various settings you can tweak to make the system work better for you. Next, you'll want to select Reminders from this menu. Think of this section as your hub for all things related to alerts and notifications. It's the central place where you can manage how and when you're reminded about key actions or deadlines, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Once you've entered the Reminders section, you'll want to focus on setting up your default reminders. Move down to the Automated Reminders section, which is a goldmine of options for setting up alerts tailored to your workflow. Here, you'll see various options for reminders you can activate. For example, you might find an option like Reminders based on a due date. If this suits your needs, go ahead and click the Turn On button or slide the toggle to the right. This action puts your chosen reminder into motion, ensuring you're notified just when you need to be, allowing you to stay on track effortlessly. If you're looking to add a new reminder, look for the Plus a New Reminder button under Automated Reminders and click on it. This is a fantastic opportunity to really customize the system to fit your unique requirements. Let's walk through how you can set one up. A pop-up window will greet you, offering the opportunity to specify the criteria for your reminder. You can choose settings like sending reminders based on a due date, or perhaps an expected payment date, whatever suits your needs best. You'll also need to set the timing for your reminder. Think about how many days before or after your chosen date the reminder should be sent out. This is particularly helpful to ensure that you're staying proactive and on top of your commitments. Whether you want them to arrive a week in advance or just a day before, the power's in your hands. Next up, you'll determine who should receive these reminders. Options typically include sending them to the customer, to yourself, or possibly to both. This flexibility allows you to keep all relevant parties informed and engaged. Don't forget to customize the email subject and body. To make your communication more dynamic, you can even use placeholders for specific information that will populate automatically. This feature personalizes your message and improves clarity for everyone involved. And finally, once you've set everything up to your liking, go ahead and save your settings to activate your new reminder. You're now ready to take full advantage of the automated reminder system, helping you keep on top of important deadlines with minimal effort. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made your reminder setup process both simple and efficient.